Mieri itano kuma riria thabari cia ndege ciarugamirio guku bururi-ini ni undu wa murimu wa COVID-19 riu mabururi 11 ni mahitukitio guka guku Kenya thutha wa kamiti iria ikoretwo igithurima na kugathika mawatho maria mabatie kurumirirwo kumaneana kuri ministry ya ugima wa mwiri. Mabururi maya ni hamwe na China, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Switzerland, Rwanda, Ethiopia, Morocco, Uganda na Zimbabwe. Minister wa ukui James Macharia akiuga mabururi maya ni mathurimitwo mitaratara iria marahuthira hari kuhukia murimu wa COVID-19.
No, this issue about COVID is not static. It gets better, it gets worse. So whereas we have an initial list here, by tomorrow we shall review that list, depending on circumstances on the ground when we do the global mapping of the trend and intensity of the coronavirus.
Mawatho maria mahitukitio kuri ageni aria mariukaga guku bururi-ini ni hamwe na gukorwo na irua ria kuonania mundu ndari na murimu wa COVID-19 na ndari na urugari ukirite githimi kia 37 na ndarakorora kana thina wa kuhuhia na oho akorwo athimitwo mbere ya mathaa 92 ya okite guku bururi-ini.
All arriving passengers on international flights with a PCR based COVID-19 negative certificate whose body temperature is not above 37.5 degrees Celsius and do not have a persistent cough, difficulty in breathing or other flu-like symptoms and have been tested 96 hours before travel shall be exempt from quarantine.
Cio kambuni cia ndege nĩ irutĩirwo mawatho maria mabatie kurumirira matanarehe ageni o hamwe na matereba a kuoya ageni kuma kiharo-ini kia ndege.
Drivers of those passengers should have evidence that they came from the airport to drop or pick up passengers.
Thabari ici igitanywo kwambĩrĩria thikũ igĩrĩ ciũkĩte riu bururi uri na andu angĩ 788 aria marwarĩte murimu wa COVID-19 magikinyeria andu 19,913 aria othe mena murimu uyu.
The counties that have registered the largest number of positives, led by Nairobi County with 487 cases, Kiambu 86, Nakuru 34, Kajiado 26, Mombasa 25, Machakos 21, Busia 20, Narok 14, Bomet 9, and several other counties in single digit.
Ona gukirio ohoro wa gikeno ni ati andu angi 100 ni mahonete amwe makirekererio miciĩ-inĩ na mathibitari-inĩ.
100 patients have recovered from the disease. From this number, 8 are from the home-based care program and 92 have been discharged from various health facilities, bringing the total number of recoveries to 8,121.
Andu angi 12 ni makuite makihuria ithaburia andu 325 aria othe makuite ni undu wa murimu wa COVID-19. Oria namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 irongerereka gwakia gutari nganja ironania uria ni nawe tubatie kuiga mawatho amu gicunjĩ kinene kia arwaru a murimu uyu matironania dariri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, jetagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.